What do anemones eat? Have you ever wondered what these colorful creatures in the ocean actually eat? See, anemones are fascinating marine animals with a diet that might surprise you. They are carnivorous, which means they primarily consume other small animals. Their meals mainly consist of tiny fish, crustaceans like crabs and shrimp, and even planktonic organisms that drift through the water. Anemones have a unique way of capturing their food. They use their tentacles, which are lined with specialized stinging cells called nematocysts. When a small animal comes close, the anemone can paralyze or capture it with these stinging cells. Once the prey is immobilized, the anemone moves it to its mouth, located right at the center of its tentacles, for eating. In the wild, anemones are opportunistic feeders. This means they eat whenever food is available, rather than sticking to a strict feeding schedule. They relying on whatever passes by in the water column. This ability to capture a variety of small animals allows them to thrive in many different marine environments. If you happen to keep anemones in captivity, feeding them is a bit different. They are often given raw meaty foods like mysis shrimp, krill, silversides, lancefish, and raw shrimp. Newly hatched brine shrimp can also be a good option, especially for sick or weak anemones. However, it is important to ensure that these brine shrimp are less than 24 hours old to maintain their nutritional value. When feeding anemones, the portions should be smaller than the anemone mouth. Typically, they should be fed 2 to 3 times a week. In reef tanks where there are plenty of food sources from other tank inhabitants, you might not need to target feed them as often. Anemones play an important role in marine ecosystems. By consuming small animals, they help maintain the balance of species in their habitat. Their feeding habits reflected their adaptation to a sedentary lifestyle, relying on their tentacles and stinging cells to catch prey that comes within reach. So next time you see an anemone, remember that these beautiful creatures are not just pretty to look at. They are also important predators in the ocean.